Hello everyone, my name is Samiksha and welcome back to Study House. In today's lesson, I will talk about 10 common words which are oftenly pronounced wrong by many people. But before I start, I want to tell you that in this lesson, I will not deal with phonetics or the technicalities of pronunciation. My aim is that the people who are of non-English background or who are at beginner's level should know the correct pronunciation of these words. So the first word is pronunciation, but many people say it pronunciation, which is obviously not correct. The word is pronunciation.
The second word is this. Yes, we all love to have this thing with our food in the salad, but people call it onion, but the exact pronunciation is onion. Word is noodles. I have seen people saying it noodles, but as you can see the spelling, it is N-O-O, not N-E-W. So the correct pronunciation is noodles. Next word is Wednesday. People usually say it Wednesday, but I would like to tell you D is silent, so the exact pronunciation is Wednesday. Next word is photography. People usually say it photography, but the correct pronunciation is photography.
The sixth word is continuous, but many people say it continuous, which sounds horrible and it is not the correct pronunciation. You should say continuous. Next word is healthy, but some say healthy, which is wrong pronunciation. You should say healthy. Say healthy.
Next word is milk. But I don't know why some people say it milk. Milk is totally wrong pronunciation. Say milk.
Second last word is breakfast. Some say breakfast, which is not correct. You should say breakfast. Say breakfast. And the last word is comment. But many people say comment, which is wrong pronunciation. You should say comment. So if you like my videos, don't forget to comment. Thank you so much for listening to this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep sharing and keep supporting. Thank you so much. Subscribe our channel by clicking subscribe button, click the bell button, get notified directly for latest updates.